How hypnotherapy can help with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Hi, I'm Dan Ross from the Silicon Valley Hypnosis Center, and I'm often working with people on health-related issues like this, where they've been to the doctor or doctors and they've gotten that kind of treatment and their symptoms still have not resolved. And the beauty of something like hypnotherapy for IBS is that there are studies that show that it can be as much as 70 to 80% effective in helping reducing symptoms like pain and bloating. And in some health systems like the NHS system, it's one of the go-tos for people to get that kind of treatment. And here's how I think it works. We all know about the mind-to-body connection, and that's why when somebody comes to me for some kind of physical symptoms, I say, well, have you seen a doctor first? And of course, always see a doctor first, a medical doctor. And once they've tried to do their kind of treatment, and if it hasn't worked, then we move on to, okay, what in the unconscious mind might be contributing to this? And it's a little bit like anxiety in the gut. So I work a lot with anxiety. I'm known worldwide as the anxiety helper. And it's kind of anxiety or other types of negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions can get stuck in the gut. And you might say, well, there's a difference between the brain and the gut. Well, that's true. There are different parts of our body. But one of the things you may or may not be aware of is that the gut is its own type of nervous system and has its own neurons. So our brain is made of neurons, but our gut has a lot of neurons as well. Our brain does not tell our gut exactly how to digest things. It knows how to do it on its own. All of the movement of the food, all the extraction of the minerals and nutrients and all that is done by the enteric nervous system. It's its own nervous system. It's got basically its own brain, which means it can have its own emotions stuck inside of it. And that's one of the mechanisms by which I believe that gut-directed hypnotherapy can help with reducing those symptoms. We might also work on reducing general levels of stress and anxiety, clearing out traumatic events, dealing with unprocessed emotions, and all of these things can help to reduce those symptoms on their own, because it's like turning down that knob on that level of anxiety inside your gut. Once we've cleared out those root causes, then the symptoms are allowed then to begin to reduce on their own. So this is something that is definitely worth considering. If you are suffering from IBS, of course, obviously see a doctor first, but if you've tried that treatment and that is not getting you the results that you want, then consider gut-directed hypnotherapy for IBS. And that can help you just through a series of hypnotic techniques that are done generally in a very relaxing way to release the root causes of what is getting emotionally stuck inside of the enteric nervous system. If you're interested in learning more about that and how I can help you, then happy to have a conversation about it and see kind of where you are and what's going on with your symptoms, and learn a bit more about your history and how I can help you to release the IBS symptoms.